look what I have here today. Whoop. What is that? We're gonna learn about that today. That is a cool toy and I already built. I'm gonna show you how to build. That's pretty simple. You just check it out on the menu over here. There is a book telling you the story and there is a fun fact of the day. Do you know that we have more than 600 muscles on your body? That's too many, more than your hands full. And the biggest muscle, the largest muscle, it's where you sit. And it's your butt muscle. Do you know that? That's so funny, right? So let's check this out. That is the bird energy. Here says, come pump up my muscles and get me ready to run. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's check it out. It's gonna be the same style as the powered shoe. Then we're gonna use balloon as well for that one. Ooh, that's so cool. Leave a thumbs up if you like this. Now we're gonna add some feature. Now we're gonna add the wings to see. So the things we can do is, they come with stickers, so we can put around the house so we can try to see what it's gonna be. If you put lower or if you put higher, what's gonna be the difference? You're gonna add the wings over here on the top. Let's see if that's gonna make it go faster or slower. Do you guys think the wings is gonna help? Okay, now with wings. Super cute. And we can add something else. Are you guys ready? Here we go. I'm gonna too high over here. So cool. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of STEM toys would you like to see in the next video. Those weren't pretty cool, right? Those are from MeandMine, and the book comes with the story and you can be a superhero and build your super gear. So you guys, I'm gonna keep playing because that's so fun. So I see you guys in the next video. See you later, alligator. Bye bye guys.